What's up? Do I hold it like this? Or do I hold it like this? I can't. Damn, I gotta look here at the camera. That's what DJ Go said. He said, don't look here, look here. And that's what I'm finna do. It's a little green dot too. I'm gonna lock in on this motherfucker. Life is a bad habit vlog. I don't know, I'm pretty stoned. And I think a good solution to this situation is, wait, if I hold it like this. Yeah. I think I gotta make sure I look cute in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, the green dot. I think it's easier if I look at the green dot like this. Because if I have the green dot like that, then it's easier to see. Yeah, what's up? My name is Life, and I got a new skateboard today. We're gonna set that up. We're gonna go skate that park out there. You can't see it, it's just a bunch of grass, but yeah. Man, I gotta not look at myself, but look at it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is tight. You know, at first I wasn't messing with the horizontal concept, but this kind of feeling like it's it. All right, what are we listening to? We got to smoke first. And I have one of the tools necessary. And I have the other tool now. Oh, you can't see it. I got the tools necessary to disassemble and reassemble a fucking skateboard. I'm gonna do that shit today. Look at me. After all, eat the pussy slow, baby. You'll be screaming, make it go crazy. Yeah. I'ma go in like I'm trying to give your ass a baby. Start from the bottom, then make my way to the top, girl, you so tasty. Insanity, what is your fantasy? I wanna make it come true. I'm addicted, girl, you got me lifted. I love everything that you do. I'll talk to you with eyes and oohs and fuck you like a prostitute. I love the way your body move on me, on me. She wanna do me on the camera. She love the paparazzi. I play a little music, she a dancer. Have you been a bad girl? Oh, you not? Yeah, you have not felt anything like this feeling I wanna give you. I'm gonna film you. I gotta stretch, bro. Oh my god, this feels amazing. She wanna read you like daddy. So you know I had design. In the kitchen, fucking pants up. When I'm done, she clean the pants up. She think the trap is romantic. I dropped my phone in between the seats. Yo. In the room, private dance. She just wanna fuck on camera. Alright, the copyright gonna go crazy. Gonna go crazy. This is that how does this work? I don't know. It's called Betrayed by Mozzie and Yada. What happened to you? You was supposed to stay down. The love I had for you turned to hate now. You niggas fake now. Fuck with the sucker straight clowns. It feels like what happened to you? You was supposed to stay down. The love I had for you turned to hate now. You niggas fake now. Fuck with the sucker straight clowns. It feels like with me. I snaked out. Went from the prison cell straight to the TV. I can't leave the street shit. I'm in knee deep. Do this for my Nene. Do this for my mama. Do this for my TT. Do this for my Nana. I pull a skip all day in designer. I hit your block up. I get you popped up. You don't want the drama. I just want the doja. These niggas is shooting and telling them like the old days. Walk through the jungle. Heart of a lion. Swim with the sharks. I feel like Poseidon. Can you stay beside me? Please don't leave me. When nobody's there. That's when I really need you.
Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoe didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes.
My jeans for my weed and sip my bar now. They used to love to kiss me. Now they rush to hug and kiss me now. Telling all their friends when I leave how they miss me now. 281-330-8004. Get my Jones up.
Dude, this song is not like, it's good. That's one of those songs like you gotta be in that mood, and I lost the mood.
Mostly because that weed was hitting. Damn. Putting on a red Carhartt hoodie. Like, this is what we got. So, this is my board. Last time I got kind of pissed, I wasn't getting my trick. And, yeah, I just threw the board at the ground a couple of times. Still gonna skate this bitch. Best believe. But we also have this board. Look how cool this thing looks. Yeah, I bought it from Zoomy, so what? Look at that. It comes with a sticker. I got a friend I'm gonna give that to. No, I got another friend I'll give that one to, but it's a pretty clean board. 8.6. That one's an 8.5. You know, switching it up with the sizes. The fuck is that? For the music, you know, this one got low battery, so I might have to switch the phones, but it's whatever. And then I got this tripod. It's taller than the other one. I can't find my other one, so wait. Actually, hang out for a second. I got it right here. Rockstar. Sponsor me, not even because I'm dope like that. Oh shit. Not even because I'm dope like that, but because I love you shit. And I want some. Bump, bump. Then we got the Mob grip tape. Look. Let me get set up. I need to minimize my kit. But for now, I do have two hands. And this skateboard. Look at that. Dang. Good thing. Yeah. Look at all these stickers. Can't have no wet ass feet on the grip tape. Boom. That's a skateboard. Shit right there. Hey, free phone. That bitch is purple. What the fuck? They don't make no purple phone. There we go. Look at all this shit I had in my inventory, bro. It's crazy. That bitch, bro. Oh, fuck this thing. Alright, you want to bet I slip? I'll kick you a slip. First tee on the beat up ass board. What you talking about? Or a 3-shove? Saying the board is still usable, but I want this one. Dude, that's fucking Baphomet, bro. Look, and money spawned in. I got free money. I threw the devil at the ground. I got some money. Oh. Big juice shit, bro. I need the fucking Maburb he gave me, bro. Okay, don't know where I put that shit. There's multiple Maburbs, but not the Maburbs I need. But I don't even have something to fucking file this down with. Fuck it. Setting this bitch up right now. It's fucking raining, bro. I have the technology to figure out what the fuck is happening. I was gonna set up that shit, but if it's raining, I don't wanna. Rain is expected to start in 5 minutes. Stop. Oh, bro, we're good. That shit just fucking skate. No, that's hella rain. Bro, I'm the worst fucking. YouTube forever, bro. I don't even pay attention to what I'm doing. Fuck, bro. Here's my drinks. That was enough motivation for me. Let me actually put this bitch somewhere to work. Get out again. Motherfucking Baphomet. Okay. That is all. This shit. Come on, man. I'm feeling it. I haven't even warmed up. Tray flip. Up this shit. The board like this. I'm not even gonna set up my new one. Oh, this sideways is kind of it. Oh, that's kind of pressure. What the fuck? Need that. Well, actually, for tray flips, don't need it. Stick that shit. I need that tray flip. Yeah, bro. Time for this board to die. It was terrible, bro. I don't know, bro. Oh, that one's the damage zone. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. I'm gone. Yo, as you can see, I'm just blowing a little bit in my car, but it's sunny now. The rain stopped, so I'm gonna go back out there, and this time I got a razor blade so that I can slice up my grip nice and pristine. But yeah, I'm gonna let my phone charge up. This phone right here. I'm gonna let that one charge up, listen to some music on this, and no diggity. What we talking about right now? Yeah, let's say flick for the Instagram. See what this about.
Heard niggas talking about they finna run it. You think you the one where you ain't even 10. Tired of niggas by highs, you thuggin'. The niggas be gossiping over the net. Remember back then I said Berlin was silent. They proving me wrong every time it's a mess. Can't give a fuck cause them niggas gon' talk and it's obvious. I'd rather get to a check and I'm clearing it. I better watch how you step. I ain't never had no list, I'm the best. These niggas really be trying their hardest. Made 500 songs and none of them hit. I just been trying to count up on the daily. My hands keep on itching. Me trying to get rich. Fuck by the nigga, he claiming he bout it. I'm never around, they get off his chest. You niggas too old to be bitching and skinny. Jumping that water, I bet I go harder. They looking around like who better than them. Niggas don't be on that time and that off. They'll take what the rest of these little niggas big. I'd rather shit on these niggas and chill with them. They keep on bitching, I'm wishing I can. Hey, shoot like a rocket, I'm hot enough. Stay down and come up with all of us, you know the rules. I used to sit back and follow them. Turned around, I started bouncing, I'm making shit move. Still coming up and it's hard, but I got what I need. So we got enough for what they do. It's a million ways you could die where I'm from, but I'm still in this bitch and I get to the loose. So don't talk to me stupid, boy, I ain't with none of that. Gang in this bitch, I don't see what the others at. Really had niggas I trust going
all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle, pay the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I'm married to this guy, that's who I made my wife. Said I die alone, I told that bitch she probably right. One thing that's for sure, not a stranger to this life. Gotta save this mother.
It's supposed to be sunny out now. Look at this. I still got rain on my brand new grip tape. It's alright though. Seen in that clip. Oh, it's not the board. And then gotta go ahead and grab this big ass tripod. Got my key in my pocket and trying to lock it in there, you know. If you been there, you been there. That shit suck. What can I do about this? 50-50. Pick it all up. I believe in the dream. This is hella shit in my hand, I'm not gonna lie, but look how great it looks outside. Shit, this concrete is wet. Hopefully I could take my sweet ass time setting up this skateboard, and then, you know, by then it'll dry up a bit so I can hit some kick flips and some big spins and some 360s and some tray flips and some heel flips and some backside flips. Oh, what up, man? Bro, I can't carry my shit. Yo, what's up, man? Dang, this park is hecka wet. Even the benches is wet. Oh. That's crazy. You know what's even crazier? Is them little kids just call me a YouTuber. I mean, obviously, because I got this big ass tripod. But I wanted to be a YouTuber since I was like they size. That shit's dope. So yeah, I have this time a razor blade, so I can cut out the grip tape. And damn, it is still wet. Put my knee on it. Bam, bam. But yeah, y'all seen that little tray flip up the Euro gap? I mean, the reason I did that is because like I got mad because I wasn't getting that trick, and then I threw this board at the ground hecka hard, and then that happened, and then I ripped the grip off, and the nose was kind of messed up. So yeah, I was like, fuck it. If I disrespect the skateboard, I still got to get a trick or my go out with honor still. I do this one? Maybe not, because there's no grip. It's a little grip right there. We be good. Yeah, it's wet. I ain't trying to bust my ass being destructive, you know. Alright, gotta hook this up and get to it. Damn. bro. The sun is here, but it's still a little cold. Let's take this apart. Ooh-wee. That sun better come back. Stop playing. The clouds gotta go this way. So it's gonna come back in a little bit. He's on the grid. Yeah, got a 0 board. It's got the bathroom on it. Ooh-wee. Like I said, take these 2 stickers and stash them for the homie. Alright, this sun will come back out. Everybody relax. I don't know how I feel about all these. It feels like something, you know? See if the camera can get it. It's a pretty dope graphic. I fuck with it. It's, you know what I mean? It's got good concave. Concave is when the board goes out like that. If the board didn't have any concave, or low concave, it'd be more flat. You see this one's got more like, more curvature to it, which hopefully is gonna help. Some steezy kick flips, like boom. Bolts. And they gonna hate me for this one. But you see these scratches in this board. People are like, yo, don't do this, man. It's bad. You're fucking it up. You remove and apply. No, bitch. When I didn't have no grip tape, which granted for most is like an unforeseen circumstance, like that shit's not happening. But for me, sometimes I'll be getting pissed for being like, ripping my board apart. So technically, you could like still skate it with no grip tape. You just, you know, slice up his board a little bit.
Oh, yo, he broke his board. I'm a
So it looks kind of like crazy, but I do that. And that's just something I do on every board when I grip it. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. I just explained it, but I don't know. People always ask. I have like a grindy thing to like grind down the grip tape, but it's okay. I'll just use this screwdriver.
Yo, dude, sorry to interrupt. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, man.
How much subscribers you got?
Right now, 159. No, I'm at 161 now.
Just 100?
Yeah,
Hit a
just-
blinker though. You gotta hit a blinker.
No, I'm not hitting no blinker.
Bro,
I don't smoke.
I saw you a couple days, bro. You were like hitting 3 blinkers on cars. I saw it, right? You can't hide.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't smoke.
We'll see.
Smoking's bad, yo. Yeah, that little kid passed me a little blinker. I was just trying to process that badass little kid. Yeah. Look at that though. It's looking pretty good so far, right? Easy mode. Everybody should skate for it. It's not hard. I mean, everyone should set up their own board.
Oh my gosh, the first edition skateboarding.
Dude, it's kind of cold outside.
No, it's not. It's hard to do that? Or what is it? Just like that Ollie thing? Down it.
Yeah, it's kind of cold to be using the razor outside, but still pretty clean, right? This is a board I'm finna be skating, bro. It's looking hella mean, bro. Oh shoot. Dang, man, I need that sun to come back. You know what I think is gonna happen is as soon as I put this together. Wow, that took me a long time to figure out, man. And honestly, my confidence just isn't there as far as like, damn, that's what I'm saying, bro. It's cold, bro. I'm destroying my board. I don't need no little Pokemon bird. I just need the bolt. Oh! Now tell me I ain't finding no motherfucking clitoris, bro. I got all them shits through. Wait. Is that how this works? Can't I just fasten this down and do a little testy glue before I fucking force enter it? Off of that one? What is it? It's looking like a skateboard. I'll do something myself. Feels as normal as it can be. I trust it. Someone's stealing. Stop him. I keep him. What the fuck? How you not finna steal my shit? And my alarm is not gonna be doing all this. It just might though, because I might just be beating it up. Yeah. See, you got his ass beat. They got the stuff back. They flip you on a lot more, but we don't need this. Stick. Yeah, I'm throwing away my garbage. Throwing it right there. I don't know how many more boards I'm gonna get to set up in my lifetime. I think about that sometimes. Like eventually at some point, like I'll set up my last skateboard. I'll just be it. I'll never make another one. I'll never like assemble another one. All the times I was hyped about it, all the times I was mad because I had to spend my money. Embarrassed because I had to ask for money to get a skateboard. Like that won't even matter. I'll just be like, well, it will. It just happened. That's it. No more skateboards. Oh, this is what I'm saying, bro. I knew this was gonna happen. This is why I relax, because I know that like a better outcome is coming. The sun is emerging as we speak. Still that time of the year where you kind of like need that little bit of sunlight for it to feel warm enough. You guys ever somewhere and you're just like, damn, I'm here. There's a lot of other people that are just other places. What are they doing right now? Why are they there? Why am I here? You know what I mean? Oh shit, bro. Tell me what the fuck is wrong with you. Damn, I'm gonna watch this back and be like, damn, buddy, just having like an existential crisis. Every day. Every day, bro. I'll show you guys why I don't like painted. I'm just being picky. Sometimes it's just the wood, like grip tape and the temperature, culmination of all the these fun things. The skateboard is put together. Check them out. See what I'm saying? Bearings be hella dirty, but you know, that was because I was riding it in the rain on that board, getting that tray flip. Look, I poked the screw through on this side before I started poking them through this way, and I freaking blew apart the grip tape. That's because it's cold. So the adhesive is like more like, so when you break it, it's like, instead of being like all like sticky and shit. Board is complete. Park is wet. Sun is shining. Kinda. It's trying to do its thing. Sad days, bro. Sad days. Okay, my bench full of garbage. Hey, I'm throwing it away. But this tripod is like 4 feet long right now, so it's a little hard to to frame the shit, but just walking with a big ass stick on some newbie shit. Goodbye, board. See, that's about what is dry. The tops though, give me a break. Fortunately, I'm hungry. Oh, not unfortunately. I guess it doesn't get dark at 4, whatever now. We do got a little bit of time. I'm gonna go seek out some food. And hopefully this thing does its thing and gets rid of all this so I can have some fun with this thing.